Comma-nding attention. Untangling commas and coordinate adjectives. Hello there, language lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of commas, but not just any commas. We're focusing specifically on commas between coordinate adjectives. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, how to use them, and why they're so important. So, get ready to become a comma expert. First things first, what exactly are coordinate adjectives? Well, they're simply adjectives that describe the same noun separately, without one of the adjectives modifying the other. They can often be separated by a comma or the word and. For example, in the sentence, she wore a long, blue dress, long, and blue are both directly describing the dress, making them coordinate adjectives. Now that we know what coordinate adjectives are, how can we identify them? There's a simple two-part test. 1. The and test. Can you put and between the adjectives without changing the meaning? If yes, they're probably coordinate. 2. The swap test. Can you swap the order of the adjectives without changing the meaning? Again, if yes, they're probably coordinate. Let's apply this to an example. Consider the sentence, she's a talented, intelligent woman. Can we say, she's a talented and intelligent woman? Absolutely. How about, she's an intelligent, talented woman? Again, yes. So, talented and intelligent are coordinate adjectives. Now, let's bring commas into the mix. As we've mentioned, you can often use a comma or and between coordinate adjectives. The comma actually takes the place of the and. So, in our example, she's a talented, intelligent woman. The comma separates the two coordinate adjectives, making it clear they both directly describe the woman. There's a caveat though. Not all pairs of adjectives require a comma. These are called cumulative adjectives where the first adjective modifies the combination of the noun with the second adjective. If our tests fail, we don't use a comma. For instance, let's consider, he has a big black dog. Do big and black pass our tests? Can we say, he has a big and black dog, or he has a black big dog? Not really. The meanings change or sound odd. So, big and black are cumulative, not coordinate, and we don't use a comma between them. And there you have it, a crash course in commas with coordinate adjectives. Remember the and test and the swap test to determine if adjectives are coordinate or cumulative. If they're coordinate, feel free to use that comma. If they're cumulative, keep the comma away. Thank you for joining us on this punctuation journey. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and you'll be a master of the comma in no time. Until next time, happy learning.